Good morning, everyone. I'm Kusun this guy. I'm studying at Thai Culture Catholic Primary School, Haiphong Road. I consider myself an outgoing, articulate, and optimistic person. My interests include reading, music, playing football, and space. I like space very much. I always go to space museum. I also like to read books about space. I hope I can join this journey to learn more about space. 接下來我作咗一首詩想分享俾大家，主題係 It is possible， 一齊加油可能。風雨兼程志不移，心中火焰照前路，千山萬水皆可到，勇者無畏向天睇。荊棘林中尋夢影，每步艱辛化為力，不為挫折心常在，永不言敗志如虹。多謝大家。